Hi, I'm Wasim Bashir. This video is part of my online business setup series where I help you build your business step by step. In this video, I'll walk you through how to write a mission statement for your business that's simple, clear, and actually useful. Not the usual vague statements you find and you forget about, but one that guides your team and drives results. I'll share a proven framework and show you how I created mine. Let's get started. One of the anchors which you can have in your business is to have a mission statement. And this is not a typical mission statement which you would bury on your website and nobody kind of remembers or reads it. It's more tactical and it's more target oriented. It's almost like a flight plan, and it's based on this book, How to Grow Your Small Business by Donald Miller. In the book, Donald Miller, he talks about how and why businesses fail, and one of them is like, one of the critical things is to have a mission statement. And you shouldn't have mission statements with a lot of jargon. It needs to be very simple, which everybody in the team understands and they are able to remember it, and also it gets talked about. So the framework is very simple. You will write your mission statement by starting with, we will accomplish X. X is more of a financial metric, by Y, which is the deadline which you will set for that mission, because of Z. And there are different things you can use for your economic objectives, this X. He's mentioned serving customers, making a profit, and then they could be measured. They have to be obviously specific and measurable, and they need to drive company revenue and drive company profit. Including a deadline has to be there to drive a sense of urgency. Otherwise, it's not really a mission. And why does it matter? Because it needs to have a vision for a better world, and it should have a counterattack against an injustice, so that people deserve better things. So I took this on board and I wrote my own mission statement, and I started by saying this: we will generate 5 new business clients, achieve a domain rating of 40 plus, and generate 30 MQLs by the end of 2025, because most businesses, their websites fail to convert, and we aim to change that by building conversion-focused websites that don't just look good, but also deliver results. With 20 years of development experience, we know what works and, more importantly, what doesn't. So this is what I can share with my colleagues, with everyone in the team, so that we're on the same page. And the way I would share it, I will obviously put it in a Google Doc, which I've done here, but also with every business I have, I tend to create like a Google Drive folder, and within that I'll have different folders for different parts of the business. And this would eventually go under branding, and there'll be a mission statement here. So you will see while I share this content with you, there will be more and more folders popping up, which we will use, and we'll start storing more information. But yeah, so that's my mission statement. Obviously yours is going to be different, but I'm sure this will definitely help you to direct your business in a direction which will drive it towards obviously positive ROI. I hope this framework helps you create a clear mission statement that drives your business forward. If you have a better way or tips for crafting business statements, please share them in the comments so everyone can learn from your experience. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.